It's full.
Oh, it is.
Oh. Well, this is the famous Pope's Eye, a complete man-made structure. Fantastic for snorkeling, as you can see, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. It's located a few k's straight out from the Queen's Cliff boat ramp, not hard to find at all. Inside there, very sheltered, a lot of different species of fish to see. Out here, a lot more fishing to see, but there's a lot of current, so you've got to be really careful if you're swimming outside the walls. But inside, that's where we're going today, it's very safe. Come along and join us. Go. Let go. Tip over. You'll be right.
Oh, you go now.
Is that good?
Yeah.
See lots of fish?
Yeah, heaps.
Heaps?
Yeah.
All different colours and shapes?
Yeah, and lots of seaweed.
It's a good spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you reckon everyone should come here and have a look at it?
Yeah, this is really fun.
How was it, Jill?
Oh, that was fantastic.
Yeah?
Oh.
What'd you see?
You don't see that every day.
What'd you see?
Fish.
Fish?
Fish attacking Courtney's feet.
Very good.
And the yellow finned fish. Remember them? Yeah. The big one.
It's a cracking first run. I think it's a flatfish.
Is it?
It's smoking.
No real head shakes? What do you reckon, Adrian?
Mate, if it's a big gummy, I'll be a happy man.
What's that blue thing on your head for?
The blue dive flag, mate. The
Dive flag? Are you a diver?
Try to be. Wanna be.
Look at those head shakes, mate. They're sensational. Now, I put this camera on so I could have some runs. And now it's not running. Was the bloke's laughing there? That bloke,
Always
it's his
the
fault.
way.
He caught it.
Tap, tap.
And is that the lucky rod?
It is a lucky rod, mate.
Why do you say it's a lucky rod?
It's caught a few gummies, that rod, I can tell you right now.
How are you today, Tony, by the way?
I'm pretty good, mate. Just waiting for that appointment we have with the shark.
Yeah, we did ring them up last night, so they better come. Welcome to Southern Port Phillip Bay. Just to paint a picture, this is what it's like down here at the moment. Pretty interesting stuff. The plan today, I've got Adrian from Oceanic, Jay Furness from Hock and Stewart, Tony behind the camera, Charlie Micallef in the wetsuit to jump in the water with the gummy shark. Guys, we need a bloody gummy shark. Hurry up and pull your finger out.
We're trying, mate.
We are trying.
Wow, look at that. Unbelievable. How close can you get it? Now we're at anchor, so we haven't broken any laws here. We'll just move that little bit of a lens there. This is the Rosebud Reef that I've spoken about and written about for many, many years now, and the dolphins are kicking around. It just shows, have a look at this, Tony. Just go over here. Unbelievable. Look at that. See if you can zoom in a little bit on him, mate. He's showing his belly. Unbelievable. I love it. Port Phillip Bay, southern Port Phillip Bay. Rosebud Reef is only around 10 metres of water. You've also got the hurricane wreck here, so it's pretty productive for fishing. As you can see, a lot of food, and that's what the dolphins are doing here. They're feeding. And there's a lot of little fish that actually comes in Port Phillip Bay to spawn and do their business. And this is the fish for the future. Now, underneath us at the moment, and that's probably what they're doing, we've got a lot of pinkies, small pinkies just like that. We'll try to catch one and I'll show you what I'm talking about, but it really is a fantastic area to bring the kids for a fish. You've got, help me out Tony, what do you got? You've caught slimies.
Gummies in here as well, small gummies, snapper, flathead, whiting, yes, yep. Barracuda, trevally, yep. And believe it or not, octopus.
Octopus as well? Right
on the hook, and I've got a photo to prove it.
You've got a photo to prove it.
Absolutely.
That was a bite straight away, Tony.
Yeah, there's millions down there.
I just wait a bit, I didn't caught me by surprise there. Sometimes, oh no, he's on, is he? Yeah, he's on. These little pinkies, as I said, they're the future fish that come in for our kids, for their kids. No, I've dropped him. So if you've got some small kids that are just starting out on fishing, or you want them to start out on fishing, because kids like activity, you can't sort of get them to sit down and wait for 4 hours for a gummy to hit or a big snapper to hit. They just want some nice little fish, and you still will get size fish here as well. And there we go. This is what you want to do for your kids. Seriously, they will absolutely have a ball. There is nothing better for a kid to come out here on a boat or even sit on a jetty to get constantly fish after fish after fish and have some fun with them. And as I said, they're only small fish, but they're still good fun. And have a look at that, Tony. They're our fish for the future. Yeah, look at that, beautiful colours. And of course, you do the right thing and throw them back. They're fine. Have a look at that. Watch him go. You zooming in on him, Tony? Mm-hmm. And away you go, fella. Well, how about that? So the Rosebud Reef, located between the Rosebud Pier and Rye. You can see it in your GPS. It's got the hurricane wreck. I reckon every GPS would have the hurricane wreck on it, so you can't miss it. Obviously, don't anchor right on top of the wreck. Just anchor around it, and you'll be surprised on what sort of fish this area produces. Hey, we're off to Sorrento, off to Sisters. A lot of squid in this area. It's pretty strong, the current at the moment. What we're doing, we're actually putting a little bit of a sinker on the leader and having the actual squid jig just a little bit above the leader. So what's actually happening is the sinker's bouncing along the bottom, but the jig's not getting snagged because it's just sitting above the sinker. It's been working really well. And it's only a matter of time before we see these rods completely buckled over with a squid on the end of it. And that's what I'm talking about. You can see how that rod's slightly loaded up. Let's have a look. No. And that's what we were looking for. Rod's bent over. Looks like there's a squid on that one. Yep, I'd say so. Let's have a look. Well, these new jigs, are dynamite, absolute dynamite. You don't have to work them, just drifting along with the wind and you'll catch yourself some good squid. Alright, let's keep going. Jig, what I've done is I made a little bit of a dropper for the jig. I've got the sinker on the bottom, just like that, so it sits in the water like that. I've also used a swivel, purely because the currents are so strong. I've got a stronger leader, so hopefully we won't get ripped off, but it's been working really well. And so far we've got 5 squid. It's actually a cuttlefish, which are fairly thick in these areas. These are also fantastic bait too. A lot of people do like eating them, they reckon they're better than squid. It's just on. Now you can't bite me. You can actually see the beak just there. He's trying to bite me. My mate won't let you go. It'll be alright. This pink jig has been amazing. As soon as it hits the water, you click the bail over and you're on. Beautiful colours and they're fantastic eating. Not just bait, winger. Well, here's a tip for you. If you get ink on your boat just like that, make sure you get it off straight away, because if the sun comes out it gets sticky and it's very difficult to get off. You don't want to spoil your Haynes Hunter. The jigs are working well. Alright, we're back at the Rye boat ramp. We've done alright, we've got our bag limit, we've come back in and there we go. Some beautiful fresh squid. Without doubt, some of the best bait you can get, and also quite nice in the pan. I absolutely love them. A bit more.